I told you he doesn't bite you.
He licks me, not that. Start dancing.
I don't dance.
Yeah, you do. Only when my back is turned, right?
Turn your back. I won't dance either. Yeah, I'm not dancing.
Friend.
What? You're falling. You're like a paparazzi, geez. Hi, my name is Brett Martinet.
What else?
I don't know. Am I supposed to be doing something?
Maybe.
You just read-
Dancing again, being stupid and retarded again.
I'm not like you.
You're so nice.
This is for beating paparazzis with. It won't hurt them, but it will just. Oh, let me see this actually. Let me see it.
I'll send this to your profile. No reason. You'll see. Just don't get mad at me. Stupid. Well, why would you hit your hand with it?
Because it's like soft.
No, it's not. You just said ow.
What are you doing?
Recording Fred. No, do it on camera. Brent. Do it on camera. Dance. He was just dancing. He's just being a dork. Hi, Fred. You were dancing again, huh?